Hello and welcome to KH 8.0. It's your man KR and I'm going to be your host for the next couple of minutes while I show you how this life-changing opportunity can get you on the path to financial freedom in no time flat. KH 8.0 is a powerful gifting project within a private community where everyone is winning, guys, and everyone is definitely winning over here with us. KH 8.0 is this. It's people helping people. It's a life-changing gifting project. It's a system linked to a 13-year-old company. And most definitely is financial freedom for all. What KH 8.0 is not. It's not an MLM. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, nor is it a Ponzi scheme. Like I said before, this is an amazing gifting project where we're able to help people that's helping people that's helping people. Who can participate over here with us at KH 8.0? Well, anyone that's 18 years or older, people who are willing to work as a team. That's very important. People who love to share great opportunities with others. People who are in need of extra income today. And that may be you. And if you are in need of that extra income, come over here with us, work with us, build with us, and you will see that income coming into your account immediately. Q&A. What is the cost to join KH 8.0? Well, it's a low $100 donation that you will send to the designated person who's just going to receive it. That's it, guys. You just simply come in, send a $100 donation, and put yourself in position to receive multiple $100 donations as a member. Do we have to refer others? Absolutely. This is something where people are helping people. Everyone is responsible for referring only 2 people in, and that's mandatory. You should want to help somebody else, and I'm sure everyone knows somebody that could use an extra $800 coming in within the next week or 2. So yes, we do refer people because we believe in helping people that's going to help people that's going to help other people. And if we do that, we'll have an impact on this nation and the world. So yes, we do refer people. Now I'm going to say this. If you're someone that don't want to refer anybody, you don't want to talk to anybody, you don't want to help anybody, this is definitely not the project for you. This is not the project for you because we definitely refer to people, everybody that comes in, and that helps everyone to win. Now, how much can a member receive in gifts? Well, this is what makes it exciting and makes you want to help somebody. Everyone receives $800 in gifts and re-enters the program for 200 securing 2 positions. This leaves each member with $600 every cycle. Now, imagine that. You're receiving $800, you're setting yourself up in 2 more positions to receive 2 more $800 donations. That is amazing, guys, and you're walking away with $600. What did you come in with? $100, and you turned it into $600, right? And that's over and over and over again. Now, that type of money can help some people. It may be able to help you. All right, now let's look at the compensation plan and how this things work. Now, this is super simple. Anybody can do it. Everyone starts at a freshman. This is our freshman position, sophomore position, junior position, and of course, our senior position where you will be receiving your 8 donations of $100. Now check it out. You come in for $100. You're on the freshman position. Once your side is filled, you don't have to fill both sides. Once this side over here is filled with 4 people, that means when more people come in beside you, you're going to upgrade. You're going to go into the sophomore position. Now, once you're in that sophomore position, this is where it becomes important. You're going to drop your 2 people down up under yourself. You just drop them up under yourself. When that happens, you're going to move to the junior position. You see how easy that was? You came in, got in your freshman position, went up to the sophomore position. At that point, you drop 2 people up under yourself by helping, and you only drop 2 people once ever. You never have to drop anybody else. Drop 2 people. Now you're in the junior and sophomore position, right? You move up to the junior position. From the junior position, you're going to immediately go into that great senior position. Let's recap that again. You start off as a freshman for $100. Once your side is filled, this is the left side, this is the right side. Once that left side is filled, you're going to upgrade yourself to the sophomore position. You're going to move up to the sophomore position. At that particular time, you want to drop your 2 people that you brought in, right? Drop them up under yourself. Then you're going to elevate to the junior position. Once the 2 people that you brought in drop their 2 people, you go into the senior position. You see how easy this is? Once you're in the senior position, all 8 of these new freshmen coming in will send you $100 each. Wow, that's a total of $800 going into your account. From the 800, you're going to come back in with 200, filling up the 2 positions up under you, which pretty much automates the thing, because now the person that's going into that senior position already have $200 coming to them. So let's just say that's you going into the senior position. Once you come from the junior position to the senior position, that senior is going to drop down to the freshman position and send you 200. So everybody that hits the senior position will automatically have $200 in their account at the point when they go into that spot. How about that? Recap one more time. You come in for $100. Once your side is filled, whether you land on the left side or the right. And remember, the left side does not depend upon the right side to move. If the left side fills before the right side, the left side moves up. If the right side fills with 4 people before the left side, then the right side moves up. But for illustration purposes only, we're going to say that you're on the left side. On the left side, when you get your 4 people over here, you don't have to bring these. They're going to just fall in there. Once you go up into that sophomore position, at that point, drop your 2 people. Bam, bam. When you drop your 2 people and this person next to you drop their 2 people, you're going to go up into the junior position. When you're in the junior position, your 2 people will now drop their 2. Bam. That will immediately put you in that senior's position. When you're in the senior position, now you're going to receive 8 payments from the left, 8 payments from the right of $100, giving you $800. You're going to re-enter right back down on the board you're on with 2 positions, 2 new usernames, right? 2 new emails. Look at this, guys. This is super simple. You're going to come back down, set up 2 new accounts. When you do that, now you're going to go up and you're going to receive in 2 positions. So this one will be here. This one will be on a totally another board, getting ready to receive 8 payments from each one. That is amazing. That's $1,600. From the $1,600, on your left side, you're going to drop down with 2. On your right side, you're going to drop down with 2. And you're going to walk with $1,200, guys. How about that? That's all from you coming in with $100. This is something super simple that anyone can do. So what you need to do right now is get back to the person that introduced you to this. Tell them that, yes, I have my $100 ready to send that donation so that I can get on the board and elevate to the top and receive my 8 payments of $100. And right now, I want to welcome you in advance to KH8.0. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care.